Hello, my name is Rafael Linan with United Grinding North America. I'm excited to talk with you today about United Grinding Digital Solutions. United Grinding understands digitalization is paving the road into the future and your ability to be competitive tomorrow. United Grinding has implemented the option for digital solutions across all technology groups and more than 150 machine types. In this video, you will learn about United Grinding Digital Solutions and how this technology enables manufacturers to gain more control on their machine's condition and performance. When your machine is equipped with digital solutions, the system collects your machine's critical data and makes it available for the customer cockpit. The customer cockpit provides central administration of machines and users and is the basis for all digital solution products. Digital solution includes remote service. The remote service allows fast, organized, and secure online access to your machine. The connection from United Grinding to your machine is enabled by your service request. Once an ongoing connection has been established, communication is enabled in both directions. United Grinding Digital Solutions offers monitoring packages with clear network data for optimal machine efficiency and reduced maintenance costs. The production monitor is your machine productivity overview with real-time machine status and efficient mobile and transparent production indicators. The service monitor is your machine's manual connected to the machine hours. The service monitor keeps track of your machine's maintenance and gives you a display of necessary tasks. Adopting new technologies is critical for your operation's future success, and United Grinding is here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or would like to learn more about digital solutions, visit us at grinding.com.